Matt, what's threatening this way of life?
Habitat destruction in the form of growth. Ranchers feel the pressure of development, and I see a shift, into the panhandle of the cattle industry and the ranching industry as ranchers give up because of pressure and the value of their land going up for more than what they can ranch it for.
Do you see yourself as a conservationist?
So I think I was born a conservationist. For every acre you take of ranch land, you're displacing those endangered species and the wildlife that we protect. And then you're creating issues with water to where it's not on the landscape. We're holding that water on the landscape, which is aquifer recharge. We're trying to be resilient with the land. The sense of responsibility to the land was handed down over the generations. It was just a sense of pride and heritage that was expected of you.
What do people need to know about this industry?
That we are stewards of the land, and when we go home at night, you want to have left it better than you found it.
With the task complete, Matt prepared what he called Cowboy Cookout. It was a simple meal with a hell of a view and good company.
Do you think this way of life is in decline?
Oh yeah, people that are our age are quitting it and doing something else because the work's not here.
Yeah.
Because the ranches is not plentiful like they was.
Yeah.
Every time you turn around, it's another one's getting sold out, and
it's just a way of life. I mean, you got to love it.
I mean, I want to help feed the world. I mean, that's what we're doing.
I watch the sun set at my house every day, and it's cabbage palms and water. That's paradise to me, and I feel like we're protecting it.